friends, welcome to my channel Kavya's Craft World. Today I am going to show you how to make different toys from snake cube. So today I will show you how to make duck, ball and dog from snake cube. So let's start. Friends, this is snake cube. It is easily available in any stationery shop or toy shop. So from this I will make toys. So first I am going to make this duck. First I will fold it half like V shape and now from here I will fold it half and from here also. So it will look like this. And from now I will count 1 from here and fold it half. Now I will fold it full. And now like this I will fold. Now to make the tail of duck, I will fold it half and fold it half. So the duck and body is done. So now I will make the neck and head portion of the duck. So now I will make the neck of duck and now I will fold it like this. So our neck is also ready. Now the last step is this. You have to fold 1 and 2. So our duck is ready. If you want to make a swan, you have to fold it down so the swan will ready. So my duck and swan are ready. Next I am going to make dog from this snake cube. So first I will fold it like this and count 2 from here. 1, 2. And now fully I will fold it from here. Now you have to fold from here. It will look like this. And now fold it like this. So it will look like a dog's face. So now I will count 4 from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will fold it half and full. Now like this I will fold and from here also I will fold. Now I will count 3. 1, 2, 3 and fold it from here. And now I will fold from here. Now I have folded this like this. And the last step is this. You have to fold like this. So our dog is ready. Now I am going to make ball like this. So first I will fold half like this. Back side I will fold. Now I will count 1, 2 and fold it half. Now you can count from here also and here also, but I am counting from here. So I will fold like this, and now I will count from here 1 and fold like this. So it will look like this. Now it is a little bit hard step, so you have to see clearly. I will fold this like this. You can see again like this. Now I will simply fold it like this. Now you have to fold from here. Now I will fold upside and count here 1, 2 and fold it downside. Now the same process is you have to repeat. You have to fold it like this, and these two pieces are joined. Now I will fold like this, so it will become a spoon. So now I will count from here 1 and fold it downside. And now I will fold. Now I will count 1, 2 and fold it upside. And again the process is repeated. You have to fold like this. Now I will fold from here. Now you have to count here 1 and fold it upside. Now I will count 1, 2 and fold it like this. And now I will join these two pieces together. And now I will fold this up downside. Now I will count 1 from here and fold this. So automatically they both pieces are joined. Now I will count here 1 and push it back side. Now I will fold this, and the last step is that you have to fold this like this. So our ball is ready. Friends, here duck, ball and dog is ready. So if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and please share this video to all of your friends and family members, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye, see you soon in next video.